What's up guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through exactly on how to play YouTube videos in the background without any active premium subscription. And to do that, you must enable picture-in-picture mode. So first thing first, go to your YouTube app. So locate where YouTube application is in your mobile device. Mine is here. Long press on this application right here. Just long press on it to bring up this menu. And then once you're here, you then want to tap on the app details icon right at the top side here. So go ahead and tap onto that. Once you're here, you then want to scroll down to locate to where it says picture-in-picture mode and then appear on top. Both of these settings will be enabled and they are off. So we need to first enable appear on top. So go ahead and select appear on top option right here. So enable this option, toggle this switch on, and then go back and also enable the picture-in-picture mode. So tap on this option, the second option right here. You can also enable this option right here. So go ahead and toggle this switch on, go back, close YouTube, and then to put this on test, you need to open YouTube again. So go ahead and open YouTube. Let's say I want to watch this video right here. I will just tap on this video right here and then skip it as usual. So the video is playing, but I want to leave YouTube. So if I tap on this little button right at the bottom of my device, boom, the video is finally playing in the background and without any interruptions and without any active premium subscription. You can notice the video can play and you do your stuff while watching the video, you know. So if this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions, put those in comments and I will see you guys in the next one.